Do you feel like you no longer enjoy the company of your spouse or partner? Do you feel like the love that you once shared, the bond that you once shared, is waxing cold? Are you looking for ways to win back the heart of your loved one? Worry no more, because on today's episode of Intimacy, we will be talking about love, rekindle ideas. I am your host, Bona Efwa, and we'll be right back after the short break. Don't go anywhere. Thanks for joining us, and if you are just joining us, we are talking about love, rekindle ideas, and I will be giving us few tips on how to win that man's heart back. I'm going to give us tips on how to get the love that you once had, the love that you once shared back. The first point we will be looking at is carve out time for your partner. Are you the busy type? Are you that one person who is always working, work? Try as much as possible to carve out time for your partner. Make sure you have this affectionate touch. It could be his hands, it could be her waist. That particular place that you feel when you touch her or him turns him on or sends a kind of signal to him. Moving to the next one, try as much as possible to be emotionally vulnerable during sex with your partner. Try not to be too rigid, be flexible, open up your heart, embrace new ideas that comes from him. Vary the kind of sex you have. Don't just have just one particular sex position. Be versatile. With this, you can actually bring back the love that you once shared, that love that is running cold. You can actually bring back the love of your husband or your spouse when you vary the kind of sex that you have. On to the next point. Try as much as possible to go out on a date. This time around, just you and your partner, no third party. On this date, you can have time to talk about things that on a normal day you won't be able to talk about with him. Try as much as possible to find out where things have gone wrong. When you have heart-to-heart talks with your spouse, communication gap is being met. What it is that you are lacking or what it is that your spouse is lacking, you guys get to trash it out. And by doing this, you are able to rekindle that love that you guys once shared, that bond that seems to have gone old or gone cold. And last but not the least, try as much as possible to make sex a priority. Like I said earlier, don't just try and do one sex position. Vary it, but make sure sex is your priority, because the truth is, when you sex with your partner, it creates bond, it creates intimacy, it creates love, and you get to know your partner more. Thank you so much for joining us on today's episode of Intimacy. And our topic today was love, rekindle ideas. I hope you've been able to pick one or 2 points on how to win that man back, how to win that woman back, how to rekindle the love that you and your partner once shared. Thank you for joining us. I remain your humble host, Bona Efwa, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at IreTV and follow us on all our social media platforms popping up on your screen right now. And please, we need your comments, we need your feedbacks, we need your likes, we need you to also repost and share to your WhatsApp link, to your Facebook. Just try as much as possible to bring us out to people. And our next episode is going to be very, very interesting. Please try as much as possible to stay tuned to our next episode.